Good morning, children. Take out ICSE Mathematics, Maths 1, Chapter 4, Chapter 4, page 65. Page 65, open, page 65, 18, exercise 18, write true or false. Okay. A, 14 greater than sign, C greater than sign, 12 greater than sign, 11 greater than sign, 10. So children, see first, 14 greater than means bigger than 12 and 12 greater than 11 and 11 greater than 10. So sign is true. Okay. Then next, everyone take out school homework copy, school diary, pencil, eraser. Okay. 18 B. 18B. 10 sign less than sign 13. Okay. Less than sign 17. Less than sign 18. So these are true or false. Okay. So first you see, children, tally this number 10, 13. First see, yes, 10 is less than 13, small number, so sign is right symbol. Okay, less than sign. Next, see, 13, 17. Okay, everyone follow me. 13, 17. 13 is less than 17. 17 is big number and 13 small number. So sign is right sign. Next, 17, 18. 17, 18. 17 less than 18. So symbol is right, true. So answer is true. That's why I write here true. Okay. Next, see, 15, 15 less than 14, less than 11, less than 10. True, right true, false, right false. First, children, see, 15, 14. Say 15 is bigger than 14. So symbol is wrong. Symbol wrong. Is greater than. 15 is greater than 14. So symbol greater than symbol. But wrong symbol. Okay. Next, 14, 11. Okay. Next, 14, 11. 14 is greater than 11. So symbol is wrong. Next, 11, 10. See, 11 is greater than 10. So symbol is wrong. Greater than sign. So answer is false. Okay. Now, children, D. 11, I write here the symbol greater than 12, greater than 13, greater than 16. So write here the answer true or false. So first you see 11, 12. Okay, 11 sign is greater than 12. 11 greater than 12 is right or wrong? Yes, 11 is small than 12. So symbol is wrong. Small sign is less than sign. See next 12 and 13. See 12 is less than 13. So symbol is wrong. Okay. So symbol right here. Next 13, 16. 13 is smaller than 16. So smaller sign is less than sign. So your answer is false. Next E 20 sign bigger than 18. Okay, bigger than 13, bigger than 10. So see first, 20 bigger than 18 is true. Yes, true. 18 bigger than 13 is true. Yes, true. Means greater than sign is true. 13 bigger greater than 10. Yes, this is true. So here true. Okay. I hope everyone understood. 18. Write true or false A, B, C, D, E. So practice, children. Next page, test yourself. Okay. Test yourself. Test yourself. Open this page. Number 1. Write the number name from. Write the number names for the given numbers. Okay. See A. Number name. Write just number name. 15. You know 15 spell number words. You know words you write here. Okay. 15 F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Okay. Next B. 13. 13 you write T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Okay. Everyone follow me. Page 66. Number 1. A. 15. Okay. Write F-I-F-T-E-E-N F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. Okay. B. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. Next C. 12. Okay. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. D. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. So 15, 15, FIFTEEN 15, 13, THIRTEEN 13, 12, TWELVE 12, 20, TWENTY 20. Okay, so children practice 1 to 20 number names. Okay, next 2, fill in the boxes. Okay, fill in the boxes. A 18 is equal to 10 plus 1s. Okay, to A 18. Okay, 18, write 10 plus 1s. So you know children, 110 8 ones is very easy. See here, 110 8 ones, 18. 110 plus 8 ones, 18. B is equal to 110 plus 4 ones. 110 plus 4 ones means 14. Okay, 110 4 ones 14, 110 5 ones 15. Okay, see 19 is equal to 10 plus 1s. So write here 110 plus 9 ones. Okay, 110 plus 9 ones. So I hope you understood. Practice children is very important. Okay. Now children, take out your school diary. I hope everyone understood page 65 18 and 66 1 2. Test yourself. Okay. So write your homework, school diary. Take out your school diary homework. Page 65 66. Okay. I hope a chapter right here, chapter 4. Okay. So I hope everyone understood. So practice page 66 65 66.